In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a seamless texture in Photoshop. So if you select Open and locate your photo, this is a photo I just took with my phone. When taking the photo, make sure you're directly facing the object and level with it. To start with, we need to make the photo square. So if we go to Layers in the bottom right and unlock our layer by selecting the padlock. Then go to our Tools panel on the left and select the Crop tool. At the top, you can set the aspect ratio of the crop box. Set them both to 1 and hit Enter and select the tick at the top. We now need to make the photo seamless. So if you go up to Filter, then down to Other, then select Offset. We want the horizontal and vertical seams to meet in the middle. You can do this by adjusting these sliders. If you look carefully, the top, bottom and sides continue on from each other. This seam here will be really hard to clean up, so what we can do is copy and paste another section of the photo over. If you go to the rectangular marquee tool in the Tools panel on the left near the top, now if we go to a section of our photo, left click and drag, then you can mark it out. Press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V to copy and paste it. Go to the toolbar again and select your Move tool at the top. We then can place it where it needs to be. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. This will mirror it to the copied piece, making it less noticeable that it's copied over from a different section of the photo. This section here will also be difficult to clean up. So I can do the same thing. Go to the marquee tool again. Make sure you're on the correct layer when copying. We now need to blend the seams together. First we need to go to our layers, shift select each layer, right click and select Merge Layers. So if you go to the tool panels again and select the Clone Stamp tool, to use the Clone Stamp tool, hold Alt, then left click and select a section to copy. You can then paint this section in another area to blend the bricks. This can take some time and some trial and error. You'll notice that the lighting is different throughout the image. We need to balance this out. Click on your layer, go up and duplicate your layer. With your duplicated layer selected, go to the top and select Filter. Go down to Other and select High Pass. Adjust the radius. You want this between 80 to 100. With the layer still selected, go up to Edit and down to Fade High Pass. Keep the opacity the same. Change the mode to luminosity. Right click on your duplicated layer again and select Merge Down. You can now see the lighting is balanced throughout the photo. To export this, go up to File, down to Export, Export As, Make sure the format's a PNG, as this is uncompressed. Then export it. And then name it and save it where you like. This is what the final texture will look like in Unreal.